So come with us guys as we make a quick stop at our local farmers market, Nelson Family Farms.
Hi, welcome to Nelson Family Farms.
We're here at Nelson's Family Farms where they sell a whole variety of flowers and fresh goods. Which one are buying it, Dad? So where you got about it? Look at me. Folks, I have a plan and I really need your help. I want to turn my yard into a nice orchard or sanctuary where we have trees and stuff. I want to have citrus and all these nice things. But of course, we need some help. So we need about 10 people who are willing to invest $50 and we're gonna get first crop out of the citrus them when they plant. I'm at the orchard right now and I just want to show you. As far as your eyes can see, there is fruit trees. I'm gonna need them fruit trees in my yard. What I want to do is I want to do a citrus grove. Them have all different types of orange. Them have lime, lemon. Them have grapefruit. Them have tangerine. And the price is relatively $55 for a nice size. Yeah. So we keep them say keep about a year, and you will start getting fruit from it, guys. Are you willing? Yeah. Hit me up, no man. See all over there, so you have some tree. We have beer, grapefruit, and all these things. If the ground wet, so I can't go down there. So hit me up with investment. Yeah, hit me up. Them also have avocados. They have mangoes. Yeah, definitely. You guys gotta hit me up right now. Yeah, I could get some fruits. Here we have June plum tree. Yeah, with June plum on it, See there? $42. Come on, somebody bid. Who want a June plum tree? Who want the first crop of June plum? Bid, man, put out some effort. Look at this. This is sorrel. It says edible cranberry hibiscus. These are sorrel. See that?
I don't remember sorrel leaves having that color though.
No, it's a different type of sorrel. Look, it's the sorrel plant. See that? See that?
Oh, that's a bigger one.
17 bucks for this. I don't know. But them say edible. And guys, mango all the way down. Mango as far as the eye can see them have mango. Yeah, I promise you. Y'all need to get with it. Get with it. Yeah. They have dragon fruit over here. Dragon fruit. Them have guava. Them have banana. Come on, man. I know you guys got it. Them have tamarind. Them have the black sapote. See it here. This is the chocolate fruit, guys. Chocolate fruit. See it right there, sir? Yeah. They got it. Them have jackfruit. This is a jackfruit tree. Yeah, we just need some help. So please and thanks. Yeah. Reach out to me and Zelle me and cash at me and make we get it going. Yes, we're ready. Done. Yes, something, but it's not a cherry. No, see, so the chocolate fruit that is black sapote, that's it. That's the one I was talking about. This one right here,
yes,
it bears a black sweet fruit.
Yes, sir.
Like a chocolate pudding.
Right.
That's exactly how it tastes. Yep. And this is also good for eating.
Yes.
Yep.
Picnic crackers.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This, you can eat that too.
Oh yeah, you can.
Yeah, you can eat
it. They say you take it and you fillet it because of the thorns.
Yep, take the thorns off and then you chop it up
fry
and
it.
Yes, very nice. Make it into tacos. All right, guys. So, yeah, my work. Me go buy some, Me go buy some. Me go buy one of the June plum with a beer, and then me go try buy a couple of the citrus. You understand? But if you want part of the reaping, you have to do part of the sowing. And the sowing is gonna be the investing. Yes, man. We'll get it done. Thank you. Let's get it done. Yes. I'm so excited. All right, man.
Give me 1 minute.
So we're in the farmer's market now, and a whole bunch of different stuff are here, including tangerine. And guys, look at these tangerines. 169 a pound, and they are absolutely gorgeous. Look at this.
GMO.
Huh?
GMO.
Where is it, GMO? Why would you say that
Did
about
the
them?
ones you ate had seeds?
Yes, they had seeds.
Oh.
So it's not GMO, it's seeded.
But you know GMO stuff can have seeds still.
Yeah, but yeah, disturb my life. This is the cold room, guys, where them have the dips and the different things. Yeah, really nice. I mean, if you're in the market for buying things. Yeah, those are the real Asian long beans, you know. Yeah, see them there? And how much is this one container? They snap them and they snap them.
This is what I want. Microgreens. How much is it?
I don't know.
$6.
Yeah, $6. Yeah, not happening. Not happening. You're not. Yeah, make it full of uncle. Them have dandelion greens.
I wonder how much is it for their
Beets bunch, $3 each. It's up to you. She's buying beets.
4 beets.
4 beets for $3. Publix not have the same thing. I see I plan to cook the greens. Swiss chard. You want the Swiss chard? $2.50 a bunch. Look at this there, Swiss chard, and them come in rainbow variety. In babes, you want Swiss chard? Swiss chard, $2.50 a bunch. Yeah, over here, sir. Pumpkin blossom. $19, baby, for pumpkin blossom. Can't believe that? That's crazy. Thyme, fresh thyme. What is this? Cold beet, gold beets, different stuff. Look at different types of kale. Purple kale, that different kale there, different kale, different kale. It's crazy. It's nice.
It's just for me.
And these are all lettuce. It's a kale too, regular kale. Yeah. So I was asking our cashier to give me a little plug for Nelson's Family Farm. Of course, she was a little bit shy, but we went and got permission from her manager, and she was willing to do it. I didn't pressure her much. Listen. So you're pretty much going to say, hello, welcome to Nelson's Family Farms.
Okay.
You know.
You ready?
Yeah.
Hi, welcome to Nelson's Family Farms.
All right. So did you enjoy your trip?
Thoroughly. I like being at one with
Nature. It's so crazy. So that's it, guys. Nelson Family Farms. You've got to come on over if you're in Port St Lucie to get it. I hope you like it, okay? Yeah? Yes, it's a hose.
There's a tomato tree with tomatoes on it.
Yeah. Okay. So, yeah, guys. So, I hope you enjoy your Nelson Family Farms trip. Come on over. Yeah, tell them Yardie Belly TV sent you. You saw it on the internet. That's it. So that's it, guys. Our little small stop at Nelson Family Farms. Friendly staff, nice service, great produce, fresh, and their plants is really, really nice. Check them out. Yeah.